Sanjeev. I am Managing Director of Globe Scott Motors, and we are manufacturers of DC motor, gearboxes and machine components. We have been facing a lot of problems of productivity, manpower, teamwork, inventory control and workflow. Working together with GreenDot and his team, we have achieved productivity. We have improved our productivity by literally 50% to 60%, and from 60 motor a month or 60 motor a day to 90 motor is improved a lot after working with GreenDot and his team with lean manufacturing. Also, sales improvement is tremendous. Our target were achieved in a proper manner now, and also the supply is done in time. Failure rate is come down as compared to olden days. Now failure rate is hardly 1 to 2%. Profitability proportionately increased very nicely. Also teamwork and awareness among the staff and worker is very nice. Inventory control is improved. But